Motor and starter replace in Ford Duratec engine. And now when we look the starter, we have to go in this intake manifolds down area, and here is starter. And there is 1, 2, 3 bolts what we need to remove. And let's start this remove in here. There is big 13mm bolt, and let's go to look that position. Okay, and we need for that job 13.13mm socket what fits in here, and there is this bolt in that area, and next I open that bolt, and in that way this is opening direction in here, and in that way I rotate. And this is quite tight bolt, but when we have longer bar, opening is easy. And then I use my electric driver. Okay, there is my driver. And this bolt was very short. And then we look next bolt what are in this area. Okay, and now we need 10mm socket what fits in this bolt in here. And then I open that bolt in this way, and I use my electric driver, and there is small nut, and then there is in this down area similar bolt in here. Here we have similar bolt. And it is actually small nut. And now I remove this cover, and there we have this 13mm this bolt in here down area, and I open that one. Now it opens. Interesting bolt. It looks like that. And then there is similar in this up area in here. There's similar in this up area. And I open also that one. Okay, and now because this bolt is so long, I need longer 13mm socket what fits in here. In this way. And now this bolt opens easier. Okay. And there is this bolt, and again this similar type. And now this starter is loosened. And now this starter is loosened, and I can move that in my hand, and now this starter opens when I move that in this way, and now starter is free, and only now I have left these electric cables what are in here. Cable is in that one, and when I press this side in here, I can take this cable away. It is a little bit stuck, but I work a little bit, and then this open. There is this my cable in here. When I press this area, and then I move this cable, it opens. This can be is stuck, and now we can see that how difficult these cables are open. This is this normal way, and now this part opens, and there is idea that this part must be removed. And then there is one cable in here in that area, and there are those cables, there are those bolts what I need to now open. And this seems that, let's look at how we can open those. Looks like 13mm bolts, and I take my socket, it fits in here, and when I open these two bolts, then the starter is free. Good. Now we can see closer that you, and there is actually only one bolt what I have to open, and this is this upper one and 13mm socket. And this bolt opens nicely. There is this nut, and after that this cable part should open, but it seems that I have to take this 10mm nut also in here away. That one. Okay, let's take that one also away. A little bit difficult. Now this nut opens also, and let's look that. Okay, and now this socket opens. Well, good, and we can see this both sides what they looks like. Okay, now this cable is okay, and then in here we have starter. Okay, and now starter is really free, and it looks like that. There is this product code, and maker is Motorcraft. Motorcraft is this maker, and there are those product numbers, and there is solenoid and those two bolts, and this is this first support part, and then two of those. Okay, and here is this back area. Okay, this is like Ford Duratec starter and start motor. Good. And then we can check also that area in here. Again, here we can see this position where starter is. There are two bolts and one in here. Okay, good. That kind of information.